This is Tony Baca, Senior Vice President of Safety at Berglund Construction Company, and this week's Safety Talk is on a very, very difficult material handling process of these radius gigantic windows. And each window is 5 sections. Each section weighs between 640 and 800 pounds. So you can see the magnitude of what's going on here and some of the exposures that are created by this. We have a certified operator operating a spider crane here. We have an 8-cup Stratovac holding that 800 piece of glass in the air. And then we've got 3 men in the vicinity of the load signaling the operator and trying to slide that piece into a very, very, very tight logistical opening. A lot of exposures here, because if that was to slip off the Stratovac, operator error, the team directly below it is exposed to that entire load coming down on top of them. So this is well thought out. We've gone over their safety plan. We've talked about the logistics of this project, including the material handling of these very large panels, if you can see these. And what Berglund has done is quarantined off these doorways over here and made this a controlled access zone for the contractor, the glazing contractor primarily, because unfortunately in idle carts such as this with the glass on it 2 days ago fell backwards, and these 2 panels were significantly damaged. Not these 2, but 2 were. Anybody standing in the vicinity of the load on the backside with their backs to the load could have been caught between and or crushed by the load. So a lot of pre-planning, getting this product in from the dock or via crane through a window opening up here onto this supported scaffold system, and then Stratovac from up here and brought down to the floor elevation. So the material handling and planning that had to go into this process, and we have 5 big windows. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that will be done in the next, say, 6 to 8 weeks. So you're literally putting 3,000 pounds of windows in each of these 5. A lot of material handling, some room for human error. So every morning we talk with these guys about their safety processes, their safety checks, and the fact that they understand the logistics of their installation. So this week, let's talk a little bit about our projects. Material handling of oblong type materials, the weights, whether or not the carts are even rated for those loads, and whether we could do something differently. Let's have a safe day. Let's have a safe week. Thank you.